In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine the number of pips using TradingView, a handy skill for anyone delving into the world of forex trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner trying to grasp the intricacies of price movements, understanding pips, an essential unit of measurement in forex, is crucial. Knowing how many pips you are dealing with can dramatically enhance your ability to strategize and make informed trading decisions. So let's dive right into it. First, let's start by navigating to the left toolbar in TradingView. This is where you'll find a bunch of useful tools, but the one we want is the ruler icon. By clicking on this icon, you gain the ability to measure the distance between 2 points on your chart. It allows for a visual representation that's incredibly helpful in assessing market movements. Once you've clicked the ruler icon, the next step is to click and drag between two specific price points you're interested in. Imagine you have an entry point and a target point on your chart. Place the ruler on your entry point and drag it to your target price. This action creates a line between the two price points you've selected. After you've successfully dragged the ruler between these points, you'll notice a pop-up window appear on your screen. This pop-up gives you a trio of valuable information. Firstly, you'll see the price change, clearly indicating the difference in value between your selected points. Secondly, you get a percentage change, which can be useful if you're keeping an eye on market volatility. And, crucially for this tutorial, you'll see the number of pips or points moved. This method works particularly well for forex pairs. So for example, if you're analyzing the EUR-USD pair, and there's a movement of 0.0050, TradingView will accurately display this as 50 pips. It's an elegant and precise way to gauge changes in currency pairs. But what if you're looking for a different method? TradingView offers an alternative approach that some may find more intuitive. By holding down the Shift key and simultaneously left-clicking on your mouse, you can drag to measure the same distance. This shortcut achieves the same result, but might come in handy if you prefer using keyboard commands. There's also another versatile tool available under the forecasting section. It's called the Date and Price Range tool. This tool not only covers price range, but also incorporates time, giving a broader perspective on movement over a specified period. Each of these methods in TradingView provides you with a robust way to track the number of pips, making it easier to interpret the market and plan your trades effectively. Choose whichever approach fits your workflow best, and you'll be on your way to mastering pips in no time. Happy trading, and remember to practice these steps to enhance your trading strategy. Thanks for watching,